Well, I am back sooner than I expected. This may be my second video of the day because my order came in while I was doing the other video, and also the postcards. They were with UPS, not the mail, so they were in that stack in the garage. And so I thought I would do just a quick unboxing since I really only have 2 boxes of Avon products, and it's 2 of the larger boxes. And then I have boxes of books. So I thought I would just show you quickly what's in here. I haven't opened the boxes yet because I just hauled them in, waited till after supper to do that. So I'm going to go ahead and flip the camera. Also, the brochures. I wanted to show you the brochures because this is the Campaign 19 brochures that came in. And if you've been watching my, well, I'll tell you about that in a minute after we do the unboxing. Okay, so let's turn around. And since I'm holding the camera, it's going to be a little trickier. Okay, here are the postcards, and they do have the clouds on them for my cloud climbers. Avon buy or sell, and it has my information, just my name and title, and the phone number. That's my cell phone. If anybody needs to call or text, you can call or text that number right there. Grab a screenshot of that. Okay. I have to remember to talk a little louder because I've got the camera flipped. I still don't understand why the speaker flips when you flip the camera, but it does. Okay, so there's the title again, and on this side it's got my email address. So that is right there if you need to grab that. And then this part here, I was a little disappointed because it wasn't quite as big or as bright as I would like. You can see that whole printed side from a distance is very pale print. So I know I won't be using these cards again if I order again, since obviously you can't change the print on these. I'll find another style that I like, but it's just got my information to buy or sell, contact me. There's the website, the phone number again, which is nice and big. And then just that little bit of information about me. Okay, so I've got 1,000 of these that I will be getting out. I've already been out into the neighborhood, 2 neighborhoods, and have several hundred houses already. Oh, I got the address there. I like this UPS tape that they use now, that they roll the edges of it. So it's much easier to get that off of the box without having to use the scissors. I'm going to grab onto it, okay? Now on the label on here, on one of these, it will say invoice enclosed. So a lot of times we'll want to open that box first because the materials are going to be in there with the invoice, okay? So let's see what we've got here. And I'm working in a tight area. I needed some more of the middle-sized bags. These are the bags that put orders in. There are 50 of this. And I think it's $1.25 for 50. So we do pay for these bags, but they are quite reasonable. A boxes generally will come protected with this outer sleeve. Sometimes they put them in a plastic sleeve. I don't know, how they decide which way to do it, but got a couple of the A boxes here. And so we'll get those out. And then this time I ordered some of these bigger bags. Oops. I put a lotion on top of my bag. Okay, so there's one of the pump lotions. But here are the bigger bags that say, why buy from a faceless chain? Buy from a friend. Beauty for a purpose, Avon. So I do have some customers who place large orders. So I'll just lay those around there. And so those, that's what I need those for. This one looks like it got topsy-turvied by UPS, which is not good, but maybe it'll all be okay. Normally this paperwork will be flat in the bottom under the board. So, okay, I'm not sure what that is, but it's in a nice little bag. Don't remember what that is, okay? So I'm not going to go over all the products, and the other box will just have products in it, but there's another A box. And a black suede. I had a Wild Country black suede in that one. Okay, so this little piece here normally will just lay over top of extra books that did not fit in the box of books. and also will be the outlets and the what's new. So this one is showing what's new, and obviously this is not a new Aspira product, but they're going to have something in here special. This brochure, the front cover, will be featuring Aspira. So they do that every few campaigns, okay? Still trying to get more and more people interested in Aspira, which I am very interested in. I love it. Love the Aspira products. And so there's the brochure. And there's the what's new for it. This, I get one brochure in advance. This one is campaign 21. So this is my 17 order that has come in. My books are for campaign 19 that have come in. And then that brochure in advance is 2 campaigns out. Okay, so this is the packing list that they use, and it's got my invoice on the back of it, showing everything that I need to know about this order. More outlets. Sometimes there are extra flyers in the thing, but it looks like just brochures. And yes, every now and then there'll be a brochure that's a little bit been treated a little bit roughly, and usually that one will end up to be in mine. So, because I don't like to give one to a brush, anything that doesn't look good to a customer. Okay, so let's pull one of these out. And we'll just skim that other box and go over here to the books. I've got them on my daughter's freezer at the moment. Okay, books, if you order in quantity, come in a box like this that tells you on the side how many are in there. That is packs of 10, and I think it says 6 packs of 10. So 60 books in a box, and I had 2 boxes of 60, and then those extras that were in the bottom of that box because they were more, less than a full box. Okay, so what I do is spread them all out, put the labels on the back, and then stack them back in this box to be ready to deliver. That's the way I do it. But there is that gorgeous brochure. I've been posting about the campaign 19 brochure and how it was going to be something really special about it. We didn't know what it was. We didn't know if it was a new product, some kind of contest or what. And we were all really surprised, except for those people who are these 21 Avon representatives in this brochure, when it turned out that the brochure is full of real people, real dreams, real success. I have not even opened this up. This is the representative edition because this is declared, August is declared as Avon Representative Appreciation Month by Avon. Okay, so we open it up. We are the change makers, trailblazers, risk takers, trendsetters, influencers, supermoms, and trusted friends. No fashion models, only role models. And then it describes this brochure. And here, it's tacked right at the bottom. You will see the 21 representatives. There is one man, I believe he is the husband of one of these ladies next to him, if I'm not mistaken. But yes, Valerin and Andre working together. They're able to spend time with their son and save to buy their first house. So he helps her in the business. He is probably a co-applicant on her account. I'm sure he is, or he wouldn't be in here. So you can have a husband, a daughter, son, or somebody like that. Even, I don't know about friends, if people do that or not, but who will be a co-applicant on your account, and both of them are representatives equal in that business. And so you can see these are some of the fall fashions that will be featured in this brochure. And you can see there's a lot of plum, black, and white in our brochure, and some gray, I guess it would be this time. So, very nice, okay. Falling for fashion. Just flip through here. Yes, every page where there is a model, that model will be a representative. And I was wondering if they would tell a little bit about their stories. So let's just flip them through here. Okay. Yes, let's see. Some of them are telling a little bit about themselves. Here, flying high. And so they tell a little bit about themselves or give quotes from them. And some of their tips. So that is very nice. Be a role model. Put your children first. Tells a little bit about this Avon representative. And here's another. So, okay, there you have it. You'll be able to look at this one online when we get finished with campaign 18. So I guess, yeah, when we're finished with campaign 18, campaign 19 will be online. And of course, I'll let you know when that is online. And you can look at this brochure online, or if you live in my local area, you can let me know what that you want a brochure. And here is our young couple who are working together in the business, and he's telling a little bit about why he came into the business with her. Okay, so that's it for that. Let me look and see what's in the back. Sometimes right in the very back there might be something interesting. Let's see. Okay, there we have Rebecca. Be a role model, live life your own way. And so it's a little bit about her story. Okay, and of course we are looking for representatives right now. And this is one way that you can become one, but naturally I want you to talk to me if you want to be a representative, because I've got my own link, my own code. So just talk to me if you're interested in becoming a representative. Unless you've got somebody else, like you would be interested in being on a team with, like Miss Deborah Ballard, who's watching. Hey, Deborah. Or Ms., let's see if Leslie's still here. Leslie was here earlier. Leslie Clendenin, who is on my team. You're welcome to talk to her, or any of my team members, or any other Avon representative who can put you in touch with the correct way to be added to their team. Do not just go to youravon.com or, that's a rep website. Don't go to avon.com or just sellavon.com without a code. If you have a representative, get her code before you go online to appoint yourself, okay? And let me tell you, she will very much appreciate it, because she wants to be your mentor. You're going to be assigned to one. So if you will be in touch with her, you can be assigned to her, okay? And that is my tip for the day. I hope you enjoy the Campaign 19 brochure, and be sure to go through it and read about all these wonderful Avon representatives.